Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my luxury purchases that I regret selling and why. So if you are wondering why I sold my luxury items, then just keep on watching. Before we get started, guys, hello, my name is Maria Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. I'm totally obsessed, and if you are too, then please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So my first item that I regret selling, and I will put pictures on the screen so you guys know what I'm talking about, is my Louis Vuitton 6 key holder. I sold it because I put it away and I wasn't using it as much because I bought my Louis Vuitton key pouch. And you guys know how much I love my Louis Vuitton key pouch, but I wasn't using the 6 key holder, so I was just like, I'm gonna sell it because I could put it towards a new purchase. And I just regret it now because I wish I had it just to have like a collector's piece. It's so hard to find nowadays, but I feel like it would have been good to use for my keys. I also regret selling it because it was a great starter piece. For those who are wondering where to start when you're buying luxury, that is a great piece to start off with because it is functional. The key pouch has not only key rings, but there's a slot behind the key rings where you can put your cards. And overall it was just very functional, and they come in different canvases. They come in the Damier Ben, the Damier Zora, I think, and also the monogram canvas. And I have the Damier Ben with the rose ballerine, and I also regret selling it because I did purchase it in Europe, so I had that kind of memory and meaning behind it. So yeah, I really do regret it, but you know, hopefully one day I will purchase it again. It is so hard to find nowadays. It's always sold out online. And also I just liked it because it protected my handbags. Like your keys are very, you know, sharp, as you guys know, so they can ruin the interior of your handbags. So I just liked having it as a little key holder, like it's what it is for. But yeah, I just regret it. So that is my first luxury regret purchase. The second thing that I regret selling are my Balenciaga Triple S sneakers. I sold them because they're not an investment to me. I feel like shoes and costume jewelry, costume jewelry, I just feel like they're not investing pieces because the jewelry isn't real, first of all, and the shoes, you walk on them, you wear them out, they get dirty, they get ruined, and you can't really get your money back from when you bought them. So yeah, I sold them, but they were really comfortable. They went with everything. And I really love them. I do have a couple videos on my YouTube channel about them, so I really love them. But on the other hand, I'd rather put that money, because those shoes were $1,000. That's literally a handbag that I know will last forever and be more of an investment to me. So that is why I sold them, but I do regret it because they were my favorite luxury pair of shoes. My third luxury purchase regret is my Gucci Marmont camera bag. I told you guys I sold that bag to get a different color because I wanted to jazz it up a bit, but I do regret it because a black bag will always come in handy. But you know, I'm not in that financial state where I can buy multiple bags of different colors. So even though I regret selling that one because of the color, I'm happy that I am able to get that money back and buy a new color, a different color, just to mix it up a bit in my collection. I'm always a neutral kind of gal, but I'm trying to expand my collection and just be more different and invest more into unique pieces. So as much as I regret it, I love that bag and I will be purchasing a new color. I'm still debating between the white and the red. I'm leaning more towards the red because someone told me that the white does color transfer and I do not want to deal with that. And yeah, that bag is so amazing. I love it so much. It is so functional, fits everything. I have a couple videos on my YouTube channel, so if you want to check that out, please do. But yeah, I'm obsessed with that bag and I cannot wait to get my hands on it. So yeah, that is a regret, but also I'm purchasing another one. So yeah, my fourth luxury regret that I sold, I'm trying to get my words out there, is my Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch 26. This one is a 50-50 for me. I love the piece, but I feel like I loved it because it was rare. You could use it in so many different ways. On the other hand, I'm more of a handbag kind of girl. I love my crossbody bags, and I know I wouldn't use it even if I did. I just love being hands-free when I'm out and about, so I regret it because of how precious that item is. And the price increase is crazy now, so it went up to like $520 when it used to sell for, I think, $415 or something like that. It was a really great it was a really good price for what it was, and the versatility of that pouch is endless. You can use it in so many different ways. I actually have a video on my YouTube channel. I know I keep saying it, but yeah, I have a video on how many ways you can use that pouch, and I loved it so much, but I know I wouldn't use it, so I was just like, I know someone else will, and maybe I'll get it in Europe because it is way cheaper in Europe, like crazy cheaper. And I'll just keep it as a collector's piece, maybe for when I travel more and all, but I do regret it because of how special that item is and rare. And yeah, I do regret it, but I am putting that money towards a new purchase, so it is like a 50-50 for me. Last luxury purchase that I regret selling is my Louis Vuitton Palm Springs mini backpack. I sold it because I wanted to put it towards a new purchase, because I'm not financially there where I could just keep on buying bags. So I sold it for that reason, but I regret it because of how cute and how versatile that bag was. I only had a few cons with that bag, but overall I really love that bag. But I know I could probably get it in Europe if I go. But that bag was just so versatile. The many ways you can wear that bag was endless, and it could change every look that you wear that day. And it fits so much in there. I do have a what's in my bag on my YouTube channel, again saying it, but yeah, I just love that bag so much, how unique it was, the reverse monogram I had. And when I first bought mine and a couple weeks went by, I did see them online, like you could purchase them. So now that they're hard again to find, it like makes me upset because I sold mine and I had it. So yeah, that's definitely a luxury purchase that I regret, but I know I can buy once again in Europe for cheaper, because there is no way that I'm gonna buy it here. It's way too expensive. But yeah, I do plan on doing a video on the items that I plan on buying in Europe whenever I go. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that video, please let me know down in the comments or give this video a thumbs up. But yeah, that is all my luxury purchases that I regret selling. I will be coming up with new videos on purchases that I made that made me sell my other luxury items, so that will be coming up in the next few weeks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for supporting me. It means so much to me. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram. I love talking to you guys there too, and tell you guys what videos are coming up. And I've just been really active and putting a lot of effort into my Instagram, so I would greatly appreciate it if you can go follow me there. Also, I am doing a giveaway on my Instagram, so if you want to enter, you have to go follow me and comment 2 friends, tag them on who else would love luxury items. So yeah, that is going on, and that is until June 30th, and then I will be announcing the winner. So yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!